Welcome to my channel. I am Shay the Gym, and today we're going to be doing some yoga. As you can see, we're outside. Feels great out here. I can feel the sun. You know, it's just, I love being outside. I love filming outside. I'm probably going to do this on the regular. But yeah, so we're just going to do some yoga today. I'm going to just kind of show what I do for yoga for myself, because I don't know, I just recently taken up yoga, and it's one of the best things to like implement in my day. I would say, like, it makes me feel really like good, like overall, like my body, like I'm very flexible, and when I don't stretch I feel sore and tense, and I work out a lot, so not a lot, but I work out, so it helps with that. So I'm just gonna basically get into it, show you what I do. Okay, so we're gonna start. I got this ladder here. Let me. Yikes. Okay, so we're just gonna stretch out the legs. Stretch out the legs. And just try to stretch as far as you can. Let me show you how far I'm going. Yeah. And for me personally, I try to like breathe into it. Or you could just breathe while you're like climbing and trying to go as far as you can to stretch. This is as far as I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna reach my toes. I can flex on y'all. Done. But we're gonna go into butterfly position. Now keep your feet as close as you can to your body, and just breathe while you're going down. And sometimes I'll even go put my arms down like so. Give it a good stretch like that. Take a couple breaths if you need them. And then we're gonna go to each foot. Okay, so I'm going to do this, my right foot. I'm going to just reach over and stretch it. And you want to make sure that you're breathing while stretching. I feel like that's very important when you're, I was about to say, is this even yoga? I'm basically stretching, but it's also yoga. Okay, it's just a lot of stretching. That's what yoga is, you know. Doesn't really have to be much cardio or anything, like moving. You can do some cardio if you like, but it's mostly stretching and breathing. Feels good. Just gotta get loose too, you know. That's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna do the arms. Okay. And reach. And I'm gonna go up and over. And try to keep your posture straight as well. Across again. And breathe. And then up and over. Don't pull so hard when doing this. I feel like this was a normal stretch that we used to do in like PE. Oh my gosh. I forget I'm out in nature, so I'm gonna see bugs and stuff. Anyways, maybe I should move this. It's not bothering me. So now I'm gonna stand up. gonna spread them and reach down to the ground and just stretch. There's a dog over there. And then we're gonna, let me come a little closer. We're gonna have one knee bent and the other straight and just stretch that leg out. And we're gonna switch. This gives me Spider-Man vibes. Like, this is the Spider-Man stretch. Ooh, and you really feel it like here. I feel it here. And once again, we're gonna go back down into the butterfly, just because that stretching right there was very intense. And breathe. Please make sure you're breathing, because if not, listen, this can help with anxiety too, I believe, you know? So just really take in breathing, especially being outside. Oxygen is everywhere. You can breathe very freely. And another stretch I'm gonna do, I forgot what this is called, but basically it's reverse butterfly. And I'm just gonna stretch. Stretch it. And you can lean into it and really just kind of keep going down if you need to. But make sure you're breathing into this position because you really feel it in your thighs. I'm gonna come up. And I'm gonna give it a stretch this way. Make sure you're having good posture as much as you can. And we're just gonna stretch our arms out. You know, you can even flow like a butterfly, you know. Just really take in the space around you. Okay, so I don't really know what else to do. Oh, I could go like straight down. Kind of missed this one. Oh, okay. And another one I missed, downward dog, you know. Just stretch it. Remember to breathe. Now we're gonna go up and down. I do both of those about a good 2 to 3 times. Up and down. Okay, so that's all I could think of for now. Before I go, I'm gonna do some popping of the bones. So I'm gonna pop my toes. I don't know how you're gonna feel about this, but I'm gonna pop my toes. Ooh, I don't know how to, I don't want this to be a foot thing. But we're gonna pop it. Just make sure you hear it. Now I'm gonna do my fingers. This is so random, but I feel like doing it. I always pop my fingers and my thumbs. And I just recently have learned how to pop my neck. I'm gonna see if I can right now. Usually I can only do it when I put on lotion. Yeah, I can't do it right now. And this, my elbow kind of pops when I go back here. I think I popped it enough. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I just wanted to get some yoga poses in, kind of just, I guess, to record the process as well. I kind of just do the basic things that I can to stretch my body. I actually missed one that I'm kind of doing right now. This one, sorry, I'm like, I have to do this real quick. And then there's one more. Oh, I've been doing this one lately. Let me show you. Oh yeah. And now I'm just gonna meditate. So yeah, that was pretty much what I wanted to do, just some yoga poses. Yeah, so I'm gonna meditate probably about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna be outside, try to just meditate. And yeah, I'm gonna go. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, let me know if you want to see more of these. Like I said before, I'm a very spiritual person, so I like to do yoga. I'm very in tune with my intuition and things of the spiritual realm. So I'm probably going to put more videos out like this, especially outside. I love to be outside and record. Next video might be on my camera though. I'm just doing it on here now because I don't have my camera battery with me. Yeah, so give this video a like if you liked it. Let me know what you want to see more of, because guarantee I'm gonna post it. So bye. Hope you guys have a nice, beautiful day. Enjoy the sun, okay? Shine in it, glow in it. Bye.